Good morning, class. How are we doing today?
Feeling good.
Good, that's good. Glad to hear it. So let's get started. Who can remind the class what we have been learning this week? Liz?
We've been learning about the y equals mx plus b form of equations.
That's very good. Awesome. What else did we do yesterday?
We matched the equations with graphs.
Right. And as you can see, the equations that we matched with graphs yesterday, we still got up right here. Okay. So let's just do a bit of a review really quick, just to make sure we're really solid on this. If I gave you this linear equation, can you tell me, Claire, what the slope of this equation is?
7.
And how'd you get that?
Because that's the n, the one that's next to the x.
Very good. And then Liz, what's the y-intercept here?
Well, it's got to be 2.
Got to be 2, right? And what is, how do you know it's 2?
Because it's like the starting point.
Right, starting point. It's our b value. Very good. Okay. I think we feel really solid on that concept. So today we're going to expand this a little further and actually look at this in the context of real world situations. All right. So, who wants to read us our objective for the day? Claire.
I can identify linear equations and graphs that model specific real-world situations and justify my answer using academic language.
Very good. Awesome. Thanks for volunteering. So this is what we're going to do. We got 3 cards here with different real-world situations on it. All right? You guys are going to take turns pulling the card, reading the situation aloud so we can all hear it. You're going to pick the matching equation and graph duo that models that situation. And then you're going to justify your answer. Now, when we're justifying our answer, what do we always got to remember to include?
Academic language.
Academic language. Very good, Liz. Great. And then after you justify your answer, your partner is going to say whether they agree or disagree. All right. Are there any questions? Good. All right. Well, let's get started. So, Liz, why don't you start us off?
Marcus is very thirsty after his soccer game. His water bottle has 16 fluid ounces of water in it, and he drinks it at a rate of 1 fluid ounce per second until the bottle is empty. X equals seconds drinking, and Y equals fluid ounces of water in the water bottle.
All right. So which one of these equation graph duos do you think is going to match that situation?
I think it's going to be graph A.
Okay. Why do you think that?
Well, it says that he starts with 16 fluid ounces of water, and that graph, that equation, has a y-intercept of 16, which is the starting point.
Okay. Claire, do you agree? Disagree?
I agree.
Right. I also agree. And Liz has a great use of academic language using the term y-intercept for 16. Very good. So here, why don't you come put that up there? Match it up. All right. Very good. So Claire, why don't you pull this card for us?
Jada just graduated college and has no money. She just started working at a job that pays her $20 per hour. X equals hours worked and Y equals dollars earned. So I think it's B because she's always getting $20, so it's like constant.
So how does B show a constant rate?
Well, because it's not going up or down, it's just staying at 20.
Okay. Liz, do you agree or disagree?
I disagree.
Why?
Well, the Y value, it says that it's dollars earned, not her wage. So her wage is constant, but her dollars earned is not constant.
Ah. So which graph do you think it's going to be, Liz?
I think it's the one that has a positive slope, so graph C.
Very good. Do you agree with that disagreement?
Yeah, actually, because that equation makes more sense because it's going up by 20 for every X.
Okay, very good. Cool. All right, well, I agree with Liz's explanation, and I agree with your explanation, Claire. So why don't you come and throw that up there on the board? Okay, so we got one more. Claire, why don't you do this one for us? It's pretty clear which graph matches, right? But I want you to justify using your academic language.
A city bus charges a flat rate of $4 to take you anywhere in town. X equals miles traveled and Y equals price of bus fare. So this one has to be B because no matter where you go or how far you go, it's always going to be $4.
Very good.
So it's flat.
Good. Liz, do you agree or disagree?
I agree.
Cool. I also agree. Nice job. So Claire, why don't you come throw that up there? All right, great job today, guys. So Claire, let me just expand on that a little bit more. So so we talked about how it was a constant value for the bus, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is the slope of the line with a constant y value?
0.
That's right, it is 0. How do you know it's 0? But let's use the equation.
Well, there's no x in the equation, so there's the m has to be 0. The slope has to be 0.
Very good, and
It's just the y-intercept.
very good, and we already know that m is our slope. So if m is 0, our slope is 0. Very good. So Liz, looking at this graph, thinking about it with the graph, does this graph have a slope of 0?
Yeah,
Okay, how do you know that the graph has a slope of 0?
because the y value is not changing. So that slope talks about change, and so there is no slope because it's flat.
That's great. Great explanation. Great use of academic language. Thanks, Liz. You too, Claire. That was great. Okay. So, are there any questions about this subject? All right, you guys did awesome. I think you're gonna do really, really well on your test tomorrow. So let's just look back to our objective. Do you guys think we have accomplished the objective? Throw me a little thumbs up if you think we did. Thumbs down if you think we didn't. A little sideways thumb if you think we started getting there, but not quite all the way there. All right, 2 thumbs up. That's great. Great to hear. Okay, so as you can see, there are some worksheets on your desk with more problems matching situations with their equations and graphs. In addition, there are some challenge problems on there where you're given a situation and you got to figure out on your own what the equation is and what the graph is. All right, so we have a few minutes left of class. You can get started working on your homework. Let me know if you have any questions.